Say goodbye to tangled cables, loud clicks, and wrist strain with the wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Lovaky 2.4G wireless keyboard and mouse combo. A sleek, ergonomic duo designed to revolutionize your productivity. Perfect for remote workers, students, or anyone craving a minimalist setup, this plug-and-play combo delivers seamless wireless connectivity up to 33 feet, so you can work or game from your couch, desk, or even across the room. The full-sized keyboard features a US QWERTY layout with a foldable stand for ergonomic comfort, while the Whisper Quiet mouse offers 3 adjustable DPI settings, 800, 1200, 1600, to glide effortlessly across tasks. Worried about battery life? Smart power-saving modes kick in after 10 minutes of inactivity, and handy switches let you shut off devices when not in use. Compatible with Windows, Mac, laptops, and desktops, this black set blends style with practicality. Whether you're typing reports, editing spreadsheets, or browsing at midnight, Lovaky's silent clicks and ergonomic design keep you and your neighbors happy. Ready to declutter and upgrade? Your workspace deserves this. Brand: Lovaky. Color: black. Connectivity technology: radio frequency. Special feature: ergonomic compatible devices. Personal computer: about this item: 2.4G wireless plug-and-play. Simply connect wireless keyboard and mouse with a USB receiver included in mouse's battery compartment for saving USB port of your computer. And no delays or dropouts. Allows reliable wireless connection up to 10 meters, 33 feet, without any driver. 104 keys full-size keyboard. With standard US QWERTY layout, Lovaky wireless keyboard makes each key on the number pad independent and well-spaced, greatly avoiding pressing the wrong key. The foldable stand behind the keyboard provides a comfortable typing angle for you, so you can enjoy comfortable typing for hours. Power saving extends battery life. Keyboard and mouse wireless have power switch to turn on, off, saving unnecessary battery loss. After 10 minutes of inactivity, the wireless keyboard-mouse combo will automatically go into sleep mode to save energy. The keyboard requires 1 AAA battery, and the mouse requires 2. Silent wireless mouse. Computer mouse provides whisper silent click. No need to worry about disturbing others to rest while working or playing. DPI adjustable mouse provides 3 levels of DPI, 800, 1200, 1600, to meet your different needs in terms of sensitivity. Compatible wireless mouse and keyboard combo. Includes a full-size keyboard and a high-sensitivity mouse. Works with your PC, desktop, laptop, or notebook. 10. Compatible with Windows XP Vista, the 8th of July, 10 operating systems. Power indicator. The new battery into the keyboard and mouse. If the normal connection with the computer power red light will flash 5 to 8 seconds off, if the computer is not normally connected to the power red light on for a moment on-off. Low battery mode is to press any key power red light will flash. So when you first start using, the power red light keeps flashing for 5 to 8 seconds is normal. Product description. Designed for longer battery lifetime. 1. If there is no operation with the keyboard and mouse more than 10 minutes, they will turn to sleep mode automatically. Press any key to activate them. 2. Both the mouse and keyboard have independent switch to turn on/off if you will not use them for a while. 3. The LED indicator light on the keyboard will flash to remind you when to change the low battery. Specification. Keyboard dimension, 17.14 *5.55 x 0.88 inches, 43.5 14.1 x 2.2 centimeters. Mouse size, 2.44 4.53 x t 11.5 3.3 centimeters. Mouse DPI, 800, 1200, 1600 battery, 1 AAA for keyboard, 2 AAA for mouse. Package contents: 1 times keyboard, 1 times mouse, 1. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.